This quick start video will show you how to upload files to S3, which is used by a lot of projects. This video is primarily intended for project managers who just need to get a file up. So what you're going to need is a client. A lot of FTP clients, just like FTPing a file, support S3. But if they don't, you can get several different ones. S3 Browser is a standalone Windows program that you can use. You can use S3 Organizer, which is a Firefox extension, which will allow you to do it. Or you can use Transmit, which is an FTP client that's pretty popular on OS X. I'm going to be using Transmit, but any of these programs will work. So what you're going to do is you're going to be provided with an access key ID. It might be called access key, but you're something that's really long that looks like this. You're going to type it in, and then you're going to be provided a secret, which is another long string of characters. Once you do that, you're going to hit connect, and you're going to see what are called buckets. And buckets are usually grouped for a project. So you're going to click on the bucket, and you'll see a list of files. And it's as easy as dragging files onto this window. You can delete files just as easily, just like you normally would. That's, in a nutshell, how you upload files. One trick, though, that you probably need to know is that all files uploaded to Amazon's S3 by default are considered private. Now, usually that's what you want, but in some cases, if you are working where you're sending direct links to S3 assets, you're going to want to make these publicly accessible. Now, I stress again that normally you will not do this, and so I'm mentioning it here for informational purposes, but if you're watching this video, most likely you do not need to do something like this. But if you are getting an access denied error after you've uploaded a file, this is how you fix that. You're going to select the file that you want to grant access to, and you're going to change its permissions, and you do this in different ways depending on the program you're using, and you're going to change it from read to owner to world. That will give access to everyone to be able to download this file directly off of S3.